Adding base satellite maps. In this tutorial video, you will learn how to add base satellite maps. When you click the Satellite Maps option from the Base Maps menu on the left menu, there are different types of satellite maps on the maps in the panel that appears. It can be added to the map by pressing the Use button under the satellite map we want to add to the map. Also, Added Layer is listed in the layer box. Thank you for watching us. Don't forget to follow us to be updated for recent developments. You may continue to next tutorial video.